if the first and the third of 3 consecutive odd integers are added, the result is 69 less than 5 times the second integer. Okay? Find the third integer. Okay? Now, if you let x be the first odd integer, okay, let x be the first odd integer, all right? Now, for instance, suppose your first integer was 1, all right? The next odd integer would be 3, wouldn't it? Okay, now how do you get from 1 to 3? What do you add to 1 to get 3? You're going to add 2. So 2 plus this 1 back here is the 3. Now let's do the odd integers. 1, 3, 5. And you're going from 3 to 5, aren't you? So what do you do from 3? What do you do to the 3 to get to 5? You once again, you would add. Okay. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So we're taking this 2 and adding it to the previous odd integer and getting the next one. All right. 7 then, 1, 3, 5, 7. You start with the 5, right? You start with the 5. And once again, every time we're adding 2, aren't we? Okay, every time we add what? 2. So if x is the first one, then add 2 to that, and that'll be the next one. Okay? Now, if you add 2 to this one, you're going to have x plus 4, aren't you? What's 2 plus 2? So if you add 2 to the second odd integer, you'll get the third one. So you're going to end up having x and not adding just 2, but add 2 plus 2. And that'll be your third odd integer. So these are my 3 odd integers. Now go back to your statement back here. You're going to add the first one. The first odd one was what? X. And the third one is x plus 4. The second one is x plus 2. So you add the first, there's the first, and the third is x plus 4. So here's your third odd integer, and the result is you're going to have 5 times the second. Now the second was x plus 2. You're doing 5 times the second, but it's 69 less than that, okay? So remember, this is my first integer, second integer, third integer, and here is my equation. All right? Now we don't need these parentheses. Let's do away with the parentheses. We have x, and we have x, and we have 4. On the right side, I have 5 times x and 5 times 2. And take away the 69, of course. Now, x plus x is 2x. Bring down the 4. Bring down the 5x. And if you have $10 and you spend 69, you're overdrawn. You didn't have enough money. You only had 10. You spent 69. Now you owe 59. You don't owe 69 because you paid off 10 of it. All right? Copy that down up on the top, and let's continue on now. Get rid of the smaller of the 2 x's here. Okay? There's 2x here and 5x. Which one's the smallest? This one. That's the one we're going to get rid of. Bring down the 4. Bring down the equals. 5 minus 2 is 3x. Bring down the 59. Now we're going to get rid of the 59 by adding 59 to both sides. We're going to have 63 equals, and bring down the 3x. You see 4 and 59 is 63, isn't it? These cancel. Now you're going to divide both of these by 3. 63 divided by 3 and 3x divided by 3. You're going to have 21 here is x. All right? That is my first integer. All right? Copy that down. X is 21. What's the next one after 21? What's the next odd one? It's 2 bigger than that. And what's the next one after 23? 21, 23, 25, which we get by adding 4 to 21 is 25. The third odd integer is 25.